Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen ABT Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the special order paint colour chrome yellow. The vehicle features LED headlights with LED DRLs, as well as coming with a very handsome front ABT bumper. The vehicle also features a front lower splitter. Down below, the vehicle sits on the ABT GR20 alloy wheels in a high gloss black colour. To the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate fitted with an ABT spoiler, as well as an ABT rear bumper with a diffuser. Taking a look behind and into the load area, there is a fully carpet-lined load area, complete with an ABT mat with some yellow contrast stitching. The vehicle also features LED spotlights. In the rear there is a 3-seater passenger bench. All the seats in the vehicle are finished in a leather and Alcantara combination with yellow contrast stitching. 2 singular seats are found up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area with 2 armrests apiece. The vehicle also comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system including navigation, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel as well as a digital cockpit system.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.